Hello, hi. My name is Ratna Prasad Dandapatula. Uh, Sharing my screen. Just a minute. Yeah. So I'm here to do a presentation, video presentation of my project, uh, assessment, assessment three for data visualization. So before I start, let me show you my surroundings so then how it is, where I'm positioned right now. So coming to churn, what I did is churn analysis for a telco. Churn in the sense is like customers who are leaving the service, which is considered as a revenue loss and also an increased acquisition customer cost. So basically, we spend, telco spends a lot in acquiring a customer. So if the customer is then uh, it is considered a churn and it is going to contribute a lot. So there are two things here, revenue loss and also an increased uh, acquisition cost. So in order to study this, what I did is basically and I have analyzed a data set from which I have downloaded from Google and analyzed it. So there are about the data set which I have downloaded was about 667 customer records with about 20 different uh, columns, attributes. Basically, so these attributes are basically the customer profile, service plans, usage metrics, service interactions, and the churn indicator. The churn is basically to tell us it's a Boolean yes or no. So basically, churn yes in the sense customer has left the service from the telco, and no in the sense it is still retained. All I've done is that I've created a dashboard, four different visualizations. So let me just quickly go through each of them, and I'll also present you the Tableau dashboard which I have created. So coming back to the dashboard, so the dashboard shows like this the pie chart, which has a clear distribution of how much is churned and how much is retained. So there's 14.24% which has been churned and 18.76 percentage which are retained. Um, so this is arrived from the data which I have analyzed. And the second one is that so to understand more clearly, like from which service it is actually contributing, the more churn is contributing. So that has been analyzed. The third one is that like which state is actually contributing to more churn, and the other one is again, it's a different visualization though, but creates a heat map, state-wise map, heat map to understand which states are contributing for most of the churn. So I have created pie charts, I have created heat maps, I have created tree map, and I have created a bar chart as well. So let me show you from my the analysis of the Tableau. So this is my data source. This is my data source. So I have these columns. Okay. Then this is my sheet one, which is showing the data, the visualization of churn rate distribution. So this is the churn, and this is churn as false. So which means to say like retention. It's an interactive one. And then I go to sheet two, so where I can see like distribution of churn from different states. So I can see like California is contributing most of it. Then I have sheet three. So basically, uh, this is where I can see, the churn from the services with respect to customer call. So that means the people who are making call to the customer service, they are mostly to get churn. So it's quite important to study this aspect. And then next one is that so I have created a different tree map basically to understand which state is contributing towards most of the churn. So the bigger the value is basically the more the churn. So this can be studied in depth. This is the dashboard where I have created all the sheets in place. Right, going back to my presentation. So insights from this dashboard is that frequent customer calls, so higher calls from the towards the customer call, there's a high risk of churn. And there's also one more observation, international plan customers. So people who are using the international plan services, they are looks like most likely getting churned. It could be one of the reasons that there could be a high priced plans, which is causing a dissatisfaction. Yeah. So high churn customers, heavy users may seek better deals somewhere. Some states have significantly high churn rates, so we need to understand that. Then there's like recommendations. So basically, what we can do is have a proactive customer care support, reduce the churn as much as possible by improving the customer quality. Introduce loyalty points for high risk customers, offer discounts and exclusive deals. Then introduce, provide a better international calling packages. So ideally, the conclusion is that customer churn is preventable. It's not a big thing, as long as we understand the data-driven strategies. Uh, Use some visualization tools like, for example, Tableau, which can provide actionable insights and improve on the quality of services like customer care, uh, turnaround time for the customer care to solve problems, and then introduce personalization plans. So if these things are enhanced, the company can boost their customer loyalty in retaining the customers rather than losing them. So that means reducing the churn is the goal here, and it is achievable. Thanks a lot.